Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will guide you on how to export a Word document into a PDF file. So, without further ado, let's get started. Begin by opening Microsoft Word from your computer's applications or by clicking on the Word icon on your desktop. Next, open the Word document you wish to convert into a PDF. You can either start by creating a new document or open an existing one from your device's storage. Once your document is open, click on the File tab located at the top left corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu. Now, depending on your version of Microsoft Word, you will either select Save As or Export from the menu. After selecting Save As or Export, a dialog box will appear. In this dialog box, you need to choose where you want to save your PDF file. Now it's time to choose the type of file you want to save your Word document. Navigate to Save as Type and locate PDF to save your document as PDF. Once you've chosen the type of file, click on the Save or Export button. This will initiate the conversion process, where the Word document will be transformed into a PDF file. Congratulations! You have successfully exported your Word document into a PDF. Now let's quickly verify the file to ensure everything looks as expected. Locate the PDF file you just saved and double-click on it to open it using a PDF viewer. And that's it. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.